Time to hand feed some babies. See if they're hungry. Come on. Here, little babies. Get your little taste. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're hungry, ain't you? Oh, boy, hungry baby. Wipe your little face off. Wipe your little face off. A little bit more. Okay, goodness gracious. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Let's fill your crop. Oh, nice and full. Okay. Feed another one now. Here we go, little baby. Come here, honey. Open mouth, get taste. Get taste. Oh, hungry. Hungry baby. More? Fill your crop. You're pretty full. Got just a smidge more. And he says thank you, but no, I'm done. A little Albert. Get your taste, little Albert. Come on. Oh, goodness. You hungry a little bit? You're a little bit hungry. Let's clean you up. A bit more? Your crop is nice and full. Now here's the scaredy cat one. This one's the one that screams. It's a very unique little baby. It's a little sound it makes. It's a sweetie, but it don't much like being hand fed like the others. Come here. Now, there you go. That's good stuff, ain't it? Now, that's delicious once you finally give in. Once you give in, that's pretty good stuff. There you go. Oh, boy. That's delicious. Bless you. Just a little bit more? A little bit more? Come here. Give me your head, sweetie. Give me your head, honey. Let's fill your crop. Not full yet. There you go. Drink some more. That's some good food. Okay. Put these three up. And the last one out. The biggest baby. Come on, baby. Open up. You'll love this. Oh, goodness gracious. Come here. son, you're always hungry. Feel that crop. Nope, you're not full yet. Well, see, I'm not too hungry. I'm not too hungry. Here's Daddy. Here's Casper. He's a pretty bird. He's a pretty bird. Oh, he's trying to tell me to put him back in the cage for his babies. Okay, baby, come on. Say hi to the camera. I knew you'd do it. Mwah. There you go, pretty boy.